So today's look is a inspired recreation look of EastHope_FX on Instagram. So this is, ears itching, the recreation. Are you gonna focus? So it's this cool pop art mummy. It's not gonna be exactly the same as his, but that is the inspiration of the look. So probably gonna have to pull my hair back. I think I'm just going to mark off the areas first. So like the where the mummy, like, what is it, gauze, tape, wrappings? I can't think of what it is, but I'll mark off where the tape versus like the skin and stuff. Alright, I'll choose one of these white ones. So I'm gonna try this palette. I got this from Spirit Halloween. Which was this? This was $4.99. So I'm hoping that these colors are worth the $5. Because like I said, normally whenever I get stuff for Halloween look specifically, I usually just go to Walmart because it's pretty cheap and it's not obviously amazing quality, but it works like well enough for what I'm needing it to do. You know, when you're on a budget. So I saw these there and I really wanted this pink color, so we shall see. But I think I'm gonna do, because he does like a yellow face, which I think is cool. I just don't really have a yellow face paint, so I think I want to do this purple color. We shall see. Okay, that's a little something. Little something something. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the white. I'm just gonna go with my Mayron Paradise paint in white. And this one is water activated, so I had to go get a cup of water to do this. So I'm just going to go in with this pink around the eye. Then I'm going to go in with my black Mayron Paradise paint and outline the, why can't I think of what it's called? It's not straps. Gauze? No. Whatever. The mummy stuff. Alright? Okay. I'm just gonna go over my whole face right now with this Naked Cosmetics, what is it even called? Translucent HD Finishing Powder. And I'm just gonna go in with this dark shade from the NYX Cosmetics Smoky and Highlight Ultimate Palette. Using my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, it's really the only palette that I have with any purples. I'm gonna go with Delectable, which is this dark shade, and just go over the purple areas. We'll see. I'll try to do it kind of light though, because I still want it to be kind of like this lighter color. I'm going to go over the pinkish part of the eye with the pink from the NYX Cosmetics Ultimate Electric palette. I'm going to do this bottom shimmery pink. And then just to make it even darker, because the lashes are kind of not that dark, I'm going to go over with my e.l.f. liquid liner. Alright you guys, there you have it. There is the finished pop art mummy look. I think this turned out super cute. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. It lets me know I'm doing a good job. It's free. Why not? So yeah, thanks again, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!
My friends don't walk, they run. Skinny dipping rabbit holes for fun. Popping balloons with guns. Getting high off helium. We paint white roses red. Each shade from a different person said this dream is a killer.